Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna try to just do a few things around here. I don't know how interesting it'll be. Some people it's interesting, some people it's not. But as you can see, got a little bit of a mess, and then I got a couple of bikes that I need to work on. So one of them being that Husky 450 in the background, and then the other one being my bike that I'm gonna be using this year. And then a little XR50 or CRF50. So we're going to work on those and see how much we can get done, and that'll be basically it. So I am kind of getting ready a little bit here and there for racing this year. If you saw kind of my first video, I did do some racing, or one race really, at Dutch Sports Park in Bloomingdale, Michigan, and I really liked it. So now it's really just try to get in shape, get the bike in shape so that we can race again. I don't know if I'm going to race the Kawi 450, or I might try that Husky if I can get that back together. It's a 2020 Husqvarna FC 450 Rockstar Edition that my brother was using last year. But he's upgraded or slid over. I don't know what it is. It's either a better bike or not. So maybe we might use that. So yeah, so let's get going on this. All right, guys. So as for projects go, so this is my 2011 Kawi 450. I love this bike to death. So I bought this thing brand new back in 11, and I love this bike to death. But the thing is, brother said, "Hey Sean, why don't you just take my bike, my old bike?" And this is raced, and obviously it's not in great condition right now because we're going through it. But he's like, "Why don't you take that and then just sell this?" Man, it's hard because when you feel so comfortable on a bike, you don't really want to just give up on it. And I did upgrade because it is older. I do put upgraded like front fender plastics and plate on and everything like that, and then asked the graphics company, Decal Works, to just upgrade those numbers, which is super helpful. And then I did put on a thicker seat to try to help with my rider triangle. And then today what I'm going to try to get to is actually taking these Pro Taper Fusion bars off, which I do like, but at the same time my hands are cramping a lot, especially on the throttle side. I wanted to try a different bar without the crossbar. I know that these you can click and switch it over, but I'd like to try one without the crossbar. Plus, I want to support one of my brother's sponsors, so Mika Metal. So I might actually end up sticking these on, and it's a straighter bar bend, but then I'm also going to put a spacer under here. So there are these spacers that Ride Engineering makes, so that I can bring that up another 7 millimeters, because I am 6'2", so when I'm standing up straight anyway. And then yeah. Some people might ask, why did you switch to a KTM bend on your bar? Honestly, I don't know. I really don't. The sweep actually was less, so it's a little bit straighter of a bar. It is a lower bar than what I'm used to, but I'm hoping that's going to help with the hand cramping. I don't really get arm pump. I get really bad hand cramping. Alright guys, so here we go. Look at that. I couldn't put this grip on because Pro Tapers, I don't know if they run big or something with the IMIG grips. The ODI, sorry. But the ODI stuck on. I tried everything I could. And I do remember that I had to do a lot just to get it on there, but here's the new setup, guys. Alright guys, I think that's it for right now. We have sprockets to put on. Mine aren't completely done, but it's probably a good idea to do those. And then as for the old bars, since they are a little bit taller of a bar, I got a mini bike. I'm gonna put these on, and I'll show you kind of what I did there. You gotta have a pit bike for going around through the races and stuff like that. All right guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and check you later. All right, check you later. I gotta work on something for the outro. Check you later. Oh, here we go with the spinning again. Check you later.